flame, you're free again. Who could love and do that to you? All dressed in black, he won't be coming back. Save your tears, you got years and years. The pains of 17's unreal, they're only dreams. Save your crying for the day. Fool if you think it's over, 'cause you said goodbye. Fool if you think it's over, I'll tell you why. Newborn eyes always cry with pain, first look into the morning sun. Fool if you think it's over, it's just begun. Teenage dream, such a tragic scene. He knocked your crown and ran away, 'cause wound of pride, and how you cried and cried. To save your tears, you got years and years. Fool if you think it's over, 'cause you said goodbye. Fool if you think it's over, I'll tell you why. Newborn eyes always cry with pain, and first look at the morning sun. Fool if you think it's over, it's just begun. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Saw Things again with you. A classic song there from Chris Rea called Fool brackets if you think it's over, close brackets. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Chris Rea originally released the song. Okay, so starts off with an A minor 7th. Okay, so it's an A minor with an open 3rd string. So just 2 fingers fretting, first on the 2nd, 2nd on the 4th. Okay, 5 down to 1. A dying D chord, flame, you're free again. That's a G major 7th. A diagonal chord, which you see I use a lot. I like this chord. 2nd fret, 1st finger, 2nd fret, top E string. 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and pinky is playing the 5th fret of the 4th string. 4 down to 1. Okay, and then an E minor. Straightforward E minor. Simple enough. Okay, so A minor 7th. A dying D, flame, G major 7th, you're free, E minor again, A minor 7th, who could D, love, G major 7th, do that to you. Then we have a little double stop riff there. I'm playing from the G major 7th, da 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 da, right, so it comes into that who could D, love, G major 7th, and do that to you. And all I'm playing there is, because you've got those 2 fingers already on the G major 7th, the 2nd string and the 3rd string from the G major 7th, 3rd on the 2nd, 4th on the 3rd, double stop, down 2 frets, 1st fret of the 2nd string, B string, and 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then opens 3rd string and 2nd string together. So dead simple. And if you're holding that G major 7th, you just use those 2 fingers. Okay, nice and simple. Okay, so from the beginning, dying flame, again. Who could love do that to you? Ba, ba, ba. A minor 7th, 4 dressed in D black, G major 7th, E won't be minor, coming back. A minor 7th, save your D tears. Now you've got E suspended 4, years and E, years. So that's on save. So that's let's go. Dressed in black, you won't be coming back. A minor 7th, save your D tears. E suspended 4th. You've got years and E. Take pinky off. Years. So that's that pinky on that 2nd fret of the 3rd string. E sus4. And take it off. Years. Back to A minor 7th. The pain D of 17. G major 7th. Unreal. The E minor. Really clean. A minor 7th. Save your D. 9. E sus4 again for A. E. Okay, got all that first verse for you. Okay, let's do that again, right from the beginning. Okay. Dying flame, you're free again. Who could love do that to you? All dressed in black, save your tears. You got years and years. The pains of 17, unreal, they're only dreams. Save your crying for the day. Right, now we go into the sort of chorusy bit. A minor 7th as usual. Oh, if you think D's over, G major 7th, because it's E minor, A minor 7th. Oh, if you think D's over, E sus4, E, A minor 7th. Oh, the birds for D cries pain, G major 7th. The first to look in the morning, E minor sun, A minor 7th. Think D is over, E sus4, E. Next verse, A minor 7th, D and A, D, G major 7th, such a tragic E minor, C, A minor 7th, you looked your D crown, G major 7th, and ran away, riff, just like the first verse, A minor 7th. This wound deep cry, G major 7th, and now you E minor cry, cry, A minor 7th, save your D, E sus4, tears, and off into the chorus again. A minor 7th, if you think it's over, D, G major 7th, E minor, A minor 7th, D is over, E sus4, E, and again, A minor 7th, all I did is grab a pain, G major 7th, E minor, A minor 7th, well, if you think D is over, E sus4 and E, that's where I stopped, okay, and then it just carries on exactly the same as another verse and another chorus, a bit of an instrumental verse, but there's nothing else in the song but what we've just covered. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. Nice simple one for you there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.